Hi, my name is Auggie Jimenez. I'm an applications engineer with GoEngineer, and in this quick tip video, I want to demonstrate an easy way to reuse a drawing and not have to do a lot of cleanup. I have this drawing here that I want to replace this bracket with a similar bracket and be able to reuse the dimensions that I have already on the sheet. A common way to replace a model is to right-click, say Replace Model, go to Browse, browse over to the model you want to replace it with, say Open, say OK, and as you can see it has been replaced, but all the dimensions, or at least most of the dimensions, are dangling and requires a lot of cleanup work. I'm going to show you a better way to do this. I'm going to close this drawing. I'm not going to save. I'm going to go over to the Open command from within SOLIDWORKS. I'm going to select the drawing, but I'm going to create a copy of this drawing. I'm going to then paste the drawing here. I'm going to rename the drawing. In this case, I'll rename it bracket 2. With the bracket 2 drawing selected, I'm going to go over to references. And what you can see here is that the bracket 2 drawing is still pointing at bracket 1. And we want it to point to bracket 2. So what I'm going to do is double click here. I'm going to select bracket 2. I'll say open. And now it has been replaced with bracket 2. The drawing is now pointing to the correct model. I'm going to say open. I'm going to say open again. And as you can see, the drawing has now been updated. It has the correct part model. The dimensions are all intact. And all we need to do now is just save the drawing so that the new reference can stick. And you're done. This has been Auggie Jimenez with GoEngineer. If you found this video useful, I encourage you to visit our YouTube channel and subscribe, and visit our website.